Hi, I wanted to do a quick review of my experience with the Forex Beginners Academy. Before joining the Academy, I learned about candlestick patterns, support and resistance, and moving averages and trend lines from various websites and just different courses online. However, I could not wrap my brain around how all of those components actually fit together when it came to entering a trade, and I still had zero clue about how to use a Fibonacci retracement. Once I joined Forex Beginners Academy, it began to make sense how all of those puzzle pieces fit together, especially because I'm the type of person who likes some sort of structure or guideline when I'm learning something new, and Saad's lessons provided exactly what I needed. In each lesson, Saad thoroughly explained each puzzle piece, such as support and resistance, candlestick patterns, and of course, the Fibonacci retracement. And he did his lessons and provided visuals for us on TradingView, which also doubled as an introduction on how to use TradingView. And at the end of each lesson, we're supposed to duplicate what we saw Saad do in the lessons by marking up our own charts in TradingView. And then we post our charts into a private student group. Since I have to mark up my own charts, it's also helping me in my ability to read and analyze price charts on TradingView. And after we post our charts in the private student group, Saad provides feedback on our markups. And he really does provide feedback within less than a day. And his feedback has been so valuable in my journey to learn Forex because it shows me what areas I need to work on or pay closer attention to. In addition to reading and analyzing charts, Saad has provided lessons on the proper mindset and risk management that we need. So I'm hoping that my journey with Forex Beginners Academy will help me to become a successful and profitable Forex trader. Thanks for listening.